celebrate Eid after a relative's death, the relatives mourn on Eid rather than celebrating, and people visit their house to remind them of their tragic loss. Is this per the Quran and the Sunnah? First of all, a person in Islam is entitled to mourn the deceased. What does that mean? We're humans, and we feel sorry for our loss when a loved one dies. So Islam permits you and I to mourn. Sheikh, I feel sorry for the death of my brother or my father for more than 2-3 years. You mean that I'm sinful for that? Akhi, feeling sorry, feeling sad is different than mourning. Mourning is to avoid things that are halal during the mourning period. So I'm mourning a deceased of mine. I don't want to put any perfume. I don't want to eat sweets or delicious food because I don't feel like it, as a form of expressing my sorrow for the deceased. This is permissible only for 3 days and nights. After that, this becomes prohibited. Why? Habiba, may Allah be pleased with her, the mother of the believers, when her father Abu Sufyan died, she ordered her maid to bring her some perfume on the end of the 3rd day. And she put some of it on her hair and face. And she said to those around her, Wallahi, I don't need to put perfume. But because I heard the Prophet say, alayhi salam, that it is not permissible for a Muslim to mourn more than 3 days, except for a widow mourning her husband for 4 months and 10 days. That's the only exception. But you and I, we can mourn people, loved ones, for 3 days, meaning avoid putting perfumes, avoid celebrations, attending weddings, Eid celebration. In this case, only for 3 days. So if your father died a week ago and today is Eid, you don't have the right to say, I'm not celebrating Eid. I'm not attending weddings. I'm mourning my father. No, this is haram. You have only 3 days, and that is it.